Are you tired of sitting in front of the charts for hours? Introducing the Boom and Crash Auto Trading Robot, a smart automated system designed to trade the market with speed, precision, and discipline. This robot analyzes the market in real time and executes trades automatically without emotional decisions. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this system helps you save time while focusing on consistent results and proper risk management. With low drawdown, high accuracy entries, and 24/7 market monitoring, the Boom and Crash Robot is built for traders who want a smarter way to grow their accounts. No stress, no overtrading, just disciplined, automated trading. Join hundreds of traders already using automation to simplify their trading journey and take your trading experience to the next level with the Golden Million E.